Hello and welcome to the short video on a Kupo snap-in right-angle pin. The pin has a snap-in or hex pin on one side for use with both Convi clamp systems and a supervisor clamp system. On the other end is a knurled baby 5/8" pin to hold the set screws securely to prevent rotation. This pin also has a hole perpendicular to the stud designed for safety pins. The right angle allows you to mount your light fixture upright. First, we'll mount a Convi clamp to our riser section and secure it in place. Next, hold down the silver safety button and insert the hex side of our right angle pin into the receiver and secure in place. Finally, we'll mount our monolight onto the top of our pin and secure in place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.